Hey guys, Matthew here. Today I have the Samsung fast wireless charging stand. It charges Samsung phones 15 watts, which is amazing. It also will charge regular like iPhones at 7.5 watts, other Android phones at 10 watts, and some Android phones at the minimum of 5 watts, any Qi enabled device like that at 5 watts. So this has a built-in fan, which is really nice, so it helps with overheating, so in that way, in case your phone starts to overheat or even the charger itself starts to get a little bit warm, that fan will kick in and help prevent that. Stay tuned, we'll unbox this now. So we'll go over the quick specs on this. It does fast wireless charging 2.0, max 15 watts of wireless power for Samsung phones. Again, 15 watts Samsung phones, 10 watts Android phones, 7.5 watts iPhones, and then 5 watts max for any other Qi enabled device that may not support that wireless charging, which also includes wireless headphones, earbuds, anything like that. So this has a fan cooling, improves charging time, so a lot of times if your phone or the fan itself gets pretty warm, the charging doesn't work as well, but this has a built-in fan to prevent that. Again, it works, it's Qi compatible, so any Qi enabled device will be able to charge on this, hopefully. It has a fan and LED light in it, and those can be controlled. If you have a Samsung phone, it can be controlled by the Samsung phone to turn it off, change the speed, anything like that, which is a pretty nice feature. You can charge your phone or device like that via portrait or landscape mode. So I'm guessing there should be two charging coils in this. So this is basically the Samsung equivalent to the Google Pixel stand. I know you can buy this on Best Buy's website for $79.99, which is the same price as the Google Pixel stand on the Google website, and also on the Best Buy's website as well. So anyways, let's go ahead and open this. So we have our knife. We'll cut here in the back, and then there's two things on the side right there, and so then we'll put the knife back and we'll go ahead and lift this up at the top. Okay, so there's a box inside of the box, so we'll just toss this box right here. We don't need that. And there's this little tab here that you can pull. We'll pull this, and the tab itself has kind of a quick start guide right here, how to use the device, all that stuff, which is nice. But it seems like a pretty big opening for a small tab like that, but we'll go ahead and take that off and toss that. And then the next thing is the charging device itself. So we'll go ahead and pull that, and we have it right here. It's pretty nice. I like it. You got some paper, some plastic right here, so we'll take the plastic off. Let's see here, anything else? There we go. Take that plastic off. Go ahead and toss that. And so here is the charging device itself. Pretty nice. And then whatever else is in the box, let's see here. So in this little compartment is a 25 watt fast charging brick by Samsung. It's great that they include this. It will help fast charge this, but it also fast charges other devices as well via the wired cord that is provided. And it looks like, based off the charger, it is a USB-C to USB-C cord versus a USB-A to USB-C. So anyways, we'll put that to the side and we'll see what else is left. And then you have the USB-C to USB-C cord itself. If I can get this, there we go. Toss that, and it's a pretty decent cord, pretty decently long. I would say maybe about 3 feet, something like that. So not like super long, but at least they give you a decent length cord for this device. So, and then that's all that's left in this box. And then I think that's everything else that's left in this box. So we'll toss that as well. And then we will go ahead and plug the charging pad itself into the wall get everything set up, and then we'll come back and see how this works. Okay guys, so I have this set up. I have the USB-C cord plugged into the back of this wireless charger, and it does feel very nice. It has a little skid plate right here, so it prevents it from moving too much, especially with if your device or your charger is on a kind of angled surface. It prevents it from slipping too much, which is nice. There is no kind of rubber grip or anything like that on the front where the phone stands, but anyways, other than that, this is a very nice device. It's very solid. It feels good. It's made out of this plastic material, but it does feel nice and everything like that. So we'll go ahead and try using this device to charge my Pixel 4 XL. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll go ahead and there we go. As soon as I put the Pixel 4 XL on the charger, it goes ahead and starts to charge. It's charging wirelessly, which is good. We'll take it and we'll move it kind of to the right there. And there it goes. It's starting to charge this way as well, which is nice. It charges both in both directions, both modes, which is nice. And it does it really fast. It doesn't take a while for it to read that it's charging or anything like that. Right here, there is a little LED light. Right now it's red, meaning that it's charging. But anyways, it should, I'm guessing, change depending on the charge of the device itself. But anyways, that's the Pixel 4 XL. We'll move this to the side, and I have a Galaxy S10 Plus here, which should allow for charging at a faster speed. I believe 12 watts. If I'm correct, for Samsung S10 Plus phones. So we'll go ahead and put it in, and there it goes. It starts charging immediately, and it says fast wireless charging, which is nice. And then we'll do it this way as well, and it charges immediately also. Again, the LED light does turn on, which is a very nice feature. I will say, if you have it charging, what I have noticed, the fan kind of starts to come up a little bit with this, and it makes a weird kind of noise. It's not like a super loud noise or anything like that, and you won't notice it unless you're like laying in bed and it's super quiet and there's nothing else going on or anything like that, or you have it up to your ear. You may notice the fan noise a little bit, but overall I can't really hear it right now. So I did find out, I thought that you could use this and you could like change the fan and the LED light with an S10 Plus. However, what I found out is that you need a Note 10 or higher, or I guess newer, in order to adjust that. In order to do that, you go to your settings. When you have the phone on the stand itself, you go to settings, you search fast wireless charging, and from that you select that, and then you can kind of change the fan speed, you can change the LED light, anything like that through that setting. But again, this is the S10 Plus, so that feature is not on this phone. Maybe later on in a later update you will get that feature with this phone, anything like that. But again, it does not work with this phone, but it is charging, and it's charging fast wirelessly, which is nice. So, and it does it both this way and this way, portrait and landscape mode. So anyways, we'll go ahead and put that to the side here. I do like that this uses USB-C, because if you're like me, I have a bunch of devices that use USB-C, whether it's my phone, my laptop, my tablet, or even headphones, anything like that. So I have a bunch of USB-C cords laying around, or just sitting there waiting for me to plug like my phone or headphones or anything like that into. So I can just basically take this and just go to like my bed or to my living room or anything like that, and just plug it in, and I'm ready to go, anything like that. So that's nice that it does that. I really do like this. It's built well. I do wish that there was maybe some rubberized grip on the little stand portion here, or maybe a little bit right here, but overall it is a nice feeling charger. It is kind of at a not as steep of an angle as I would like. I mean, I know if you're working or anything like that, and you're just doing this, you're typing and like that, and it's a good it's a good angle for looking at your device and seeing any notification or anything like that. But if you're like laying in bed, it might be a little bit too not as deep enough or for you. But anyways, that's just me. I had the previous wireless charger that Samsung made that is a convertible, which I really liked. I wish that this was a convertible wireless charger as well, but sadly it isn't. But anyways, the issue I had with the old one was that sometimes my phone would slip, or it's because of this little ledge right here. It doesn't, it's too thick or too wide of a ledge, so sometimes my phone would kind of slide and then it wouldn't make complete contact with the coils, anything like that, and so that's why I had an issue with this one. Other than that, this one was really nice, very portable stand or anything like that. But anyways, this one doesn't have that issue because it is just a stand. It's not a pad as well, so you don't have to worry about that wide gap there. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Till next time.